My Dead Space Let's Play series. This is episode 2 out of, uh, well, I have no idea how many there can be. Hopefully not too many. Well, what else? Destroy. Oh, okay, we're back. Where do we? Oh yeah, okay. I need to repair the tram. Can these guys not like come help? Okay, maybe not. Stop. Too angry. Telepathic door. Go. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I can't remember what's going on here. What is this? B? Yeah, B. So I'm supposed to go there. I'll go the opposite way. Now, when I was younger, I always I grew up with really old games. Oh my fucking god! God damn it! I forgot about that one. Come on, change. There you go. Fuck. Anyways, yeah. See, I'm not saving. I grew up.
This is Benson.
Oh,
Tram
never mind.
engineering.
Okay, it's Benson
I think
again.
we figured it out. Smith killed one. Listen, forget about shooting him in the body. You gotta cut off the limbs. Grab a cutter, anything like that. Cut him apart.
Okay. But yeah, so I grew up with Super Nintendo and N64 and stuff, and the really awesome kind of RPG open world games. And oh, that guy was literally in midair. He was floating. Are you alive? I hope so. And
Isaac, be careful.
fuck, I can't even talk.
Shooting them in the body didn't seem to work. Go for the limbs. Dismember them. That should do the job.
$100 that there's one on the other side of the store. Now that you just said that. Open. Sesame. Nope. Okay, we're good. But yeah, so what I learned about those old games is you always find where you have to go and go the opposite way. Because that way. Oh fuck, that's creepy. Because that way you can find all the goody stuff that you normally wouldn't find. Okay, A mode, fire. Oh, it's C. That's fucking annoying shit.
Looks like that door is malfunctioning, Isaac.
How do you know that?
Stasis module you just picked up.
How can you see me? Is there a camera? There's got to be a camera on the suit. There's gonna be a guy right there. $100. Nope. About $100. No. Who needs to save? But yeah. So see, like, oh, okay. So I have to go there, but I'll always go here. Fuck that. Hello. Oh my god. See, found a med pack. Janitor's here. Oh, ammo in the bathroom. Okay. Oh, no. More ammo? Yes, sir. I wonder how effective this gun actually would be on these things. I mean, it's a plasma cutter. You would think it would cut through flesh like a knife through script jelly. Aha, there's an Oblivion line. If any of you have ever played the Elder Scrolls 4 Oblivion.
Your stasis module should be able to
Fuck,
see you
I know there's guys in here. I know that people come out here. Dun 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 dun. Nope. I'm gonna get the shit scared of me. Watch. Running free. Where are they? I thought they're guys. Oh! Ah! Ah! Oh my god! Mash E! Oh, come on. Punch to the face. Goodbye, goodbye. Is there another one of you somewhere? God. that wasn't even that fucking startling, and that still got my heart going.
Listen up, car 8 is trashed. We managed to get it back to the repair depot, but now the autoloader is fried. I need a stasis module brought down here now. If we don't get this piece of shit off the tracks, it's gonna jam up the whole thing.
Well, that's not good. Then you won't be doing your job right. Fucking kidding me? How do you do this? Oh, oh, no! Oh, I get it. Oh my god! Fuck! Ah, God, I'm not gonna get used to that. Shit. And force power. I gotta touch them. Oh, oh. Does it work? Where do you take this thing?
Isaac, you did it. The
$100
tram's
bucks.
watching the
$100
whole
there's a neck
system.
morph somewhere.
When you get the computer online, you'll be able to call the tram from the control room. Faster the better. I can hear something crawling around out there.
Why is the screen blue? Why can't it be something more... Oh! Ah, I see you. Ball shot. You don't have any use for balls anyways, man. I mean, they don't mate, right? Oh. I see you. Do you want to play hide and seek again? Like, see, that would kill him. He'd be dead right now, but clearly he's got some invincibility cloak on him or something. So, Harry Potter fag. Where's... And go. There's a body stuck on me. Whoa! Oh! 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 Stop running. Stop running. You're gonna get hurt. Oh, that was a good shot. Goodbye. And good night. Ooh, it's like paste. Are they gonna give me any ammo? Fuck! I thought they're supposed to give you ammo. Look at that head. Yeesh. That's some fucked up virus or whatever the hell it actually is. I can't remember. Let's get back and repair this.
Isaac, I've patched into the deck security system. It took some work, but I've got the door to the maintenance bay unlocked.
That's
The data board should be
great.
somewhere inside.
Where'd I go again? Oh, that way. Great. Further into this scary abyss. $100. This guy's coming right there. No? Damn. Just looks like such a sinister spot. I will have my back to you, kind sir. Where's the fucking switch? Cool. These are the super oh.
It's Kendra. It looks
I
like
know,
the door to
you
the
were just
storage room
talking to
is
me the
locked.
last
There should
20
be a key
seconds, you
somewhere in the
stupid.
maintenance bay.
Ay, ay, ay. Objective inactive. Oh, I love this room. Peace. Ah! God. Oh, gotta get you, gotta get you. Reload, reload. Come on, come on. You're an engineer, but you know how to use a gun properly. Okay, good. I love how in this game, the way they kind of fiddled around with the settings is so... Oh, I see you. It's so you can't turn around quickly, right? Like it's got that delayed response, right? But that just... I mean... The whole... Oh my god! Ah! I see you, I see you! Oh, fuck, that scared the shit out of me. I just saw his claw in the top corner, oh my god. Okay, he's done. Are you kidding me? I don't have any ammo? Oh, thank god, okay. But, I mean, yeah, so that delayed turn, that's such an effect of the game, right? you hear noises, and you might see shadows, or you see them and you can't turn around, and ugh, like that's just what happened to me. So I know what it's like, man. Oh, see, creepy noises, creepy noises, creepy noises, creepy noises. Don't like it. But yeah, so I recently have just purchased a pair of Turtle Beaches. The Turtle Beach. Oh my God! God balls. The Turtle Beach Air Force Z300. I guess if it's not that obvious, I'm playing on PC. Actually, I said that before last video. But yeah, so these are a new edition. I've never had gaming headphones before. I've always just played out of, you know, my Logitech surround sound things, and you know, they were I think they were fine, but these are nice to have. They're 7.1 surround sound. Granted, this game is only 5.1 surround, so obviously, you know, I can't utilize it fully. But hey, it's really nice. You know, they're really comfy and stuff. But the only downside to having these, I mean, other than paying $230 fucking for headphones, is you know, it adds that heart attack when something comes. Oh my God, like that! When something comes out of the walls, and you can hear it beside you, and you can hear it scream and like run from behind you and attack you and shit. Oh, gets your heart racing. I guess on the plus side with a game like this, no, I don't want to open my menu. How do I close it? Oh, tab. I guess the plus side with playing Dead Space, a game like this at night anyways, because of all these jump scares and because of the Turtle Beaches and stuff, I guess I can stay up really late and play. I won't get tired. But yeah. So, honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing. What was J journal? What are we doing? Oh my God! Ah! No, you can't come in the elevator. Only room for one. Preferably without claws. Okay. Oh, see, like that. That scared the shit out of me. Because these headphones that look. Oh, full inventory. It sounded like it was right behind me. Okay, inventory. How do I open my inventory? I don't even know. Oh, yeah, I do. How do we navigate it? There we go. Enter, select. I can't even use that. Okay. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Close this. Close it. Sweet. How much... I wonder how much Isaac is getting paid for this. I mean, thousands and thousands of dollars, I would assume. Ooh, upgrade bench. Sweet. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what year this is in the future, so I don't know how futuristic this is. But I mean, I'm surprised that they don't know any more about this. Like, about how the Ishimura went silent. Oh, so, the Ishimura went silent today. We have no idea what happened. Everyone's dead. You figure they'd know life signs of people, that they can build a giant ship that is a mines planet.
Take the board back to tram control and slot it into the computer array. That should get the tram system back online.
There's a guy to my left. I can hear him. Oh my God! Fuck! Oh God damn! I'm gonna hate playing this game. I can hear him. That's the worst part. I mean, granted, what would I rather have? Would I rather hear him or not? Oh! God, they played that trick so many times. This was the third time. Ugh, fuck. I'm not gonna get used to this shit. Get in the elevator! I'm scared of this room. Go, 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 go. Okay, we're good. Thank God. let's get back and get to save. I think this video is starting to run a little long. I want to keep them all in the same proximity, around 15 minutes. Oh my god! Fuck! Ah, fuck! Ah, fuck this shit. Isaac, kill this bitch. God, I think I have to change my panties. My god. Fuck. That was the worst one. Can I save? Where's the save point? Oh my god, I see you, I see you, I see you, I see you. God, I'm a pussy. No, I'm not actually this much of a pussy in real life. Don't worry, I'm a tough man. Anyways, thanks for watching. So I will pick this up, hopefully in the next couple of days to continue. I'm sure the jump scares will only continue. But anyways, as always, welcome, hello, and goodbye.